Hey everybody, alright, so today I decided it would be fitting to talk about the Paulina palette because Paulina is coming back out with her Paulina palette that she collabed with, I guess last year with Blush Tribe. So this is the palette and this is the inside of the palette. I've swatched this, but I've not actually worn this yet, so this is going to be a first time me wearing it, and I'll do the whole entire wear test and let you know how it wears. One thing I just want to say that I always find interesting about palettes is that, like, recently I've been introduced, I guess, to the idea of buying, like, individual eyeshadows, like, you know, from, what's that company called? Clienata, and different companies that sell, like, individuals. And I started realizing how much more nice I appreciate it because, like, you can buy specific colors that you know for a fact you like and you're going to use, opposed to palettes that you know normally out of a palette you're only going to use, like, a handful of the colors. You're not going to use all the colors normally, right? The thing I do like about palettes is that a lot of times when I see palettes, I'll look at it like, what was this person thinking? Like, I would not put these colors together, right? But then you put them together on your face and all of a sudden it makes sense. Like, when I first saw this palette, I was kind of like, I don't know if I'm gonna wear those colors. But then I saw her and her different looks and I was like, okay, I get it. I get how they all, you know, work together. I had a classmate in my night class that had the Jeffree Star, I forget which palette it was. Either way, Thirsty palette. Yeah, it was a Thirsty palette. And I did her makeup, and when I was doing her makeup, I was like, you know what? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna put all these colors together and just go with it, because obviously he had a look in his own mind of how this is supposed to turn out. And as I was going, like, I literally was just doing whatever, and the colors looked really good together. I was kind of surprised. So one thing I can say about palettes is that those that are really creative, I feel like they help kickstart my creativity from where I leave off. So I am definitely excited to try this palette out today, and I will I'll let you guys know what I think about it. All right, so I am about to put on my eyeshadow, and then I will be back. I'll give you a little quick I guess video. I'll try to speed up the video so you don't have to be bored by me putting on eyeshadow for like an hour or so. All right, I will see you in a few minutes. Hey everybody, alright, so I have my completed look. I am actually really excited about this look. I think that it is, I think it's cool. The only gripe, I guess, that I have would be that it took me a minute to pack on the neon green. With that said, though, I don't wear neon colors, so it might be a norm to pack on neons to get them to be vibrant. I mean, like, usually like blues, greens, certain colors, it takes a minute anyways to get them to show, so so this might be totally normal. Other than that, though, it definitely came through. I needed to whip my brush to get it to kind of, like, you know, give it a kickstart. Other than that, I am really digging this look. I did use the Clienata highlighter that I talked about in my last video to the brow bone, and then on top of the green to give it more of like a little pop. So the only gripe that I have with this palette would be is that it doesn't have that highlighter color. That's the only thing. And that's not a big deal because obviously not every palette's going to have like a little highlighter color, but it would have been nice had she had something to kind of, which I guess she really couldn't with the whole entire, she's only got so many pans. But if it was me, I would have definitely probably not used this color. I did use this color. It's a cool color. I'm not obsessed with it. But I definitely would have had something a little bit more brighter to give like a punch at the end. Other than that, I think this is cool. I definitely am happy that I bought this, and I'm happy for her. So I've been following her for a minute. I think she's a really cool YouTube personality. And it's really cool that she's also gone together with Blush Tribe and been able to collab with them and create her own palette. So congrats to you, Paulina, and yeah, I think that it is a good purchase, and I'm definitely happy that I bought it. So, all right, that is it. Next week, I will be going into more of my indie brand makeup that I have purchased recently. As I mentioned in my last video, I still need to do a video on Enchanted Lustra Cosmetics. It's kind of a long one, but it's ELC. What else? Give Me Glue, Certify. What else? I have too many eyeshadow palettes I have yet to try, which I mentioned in my last video that, you know, the last 6 months I've been in night class, and just between night class and work, I haven't really had the energy to create videos and to put on makeup and etc. So now that I'm done with class temporarily, because I'm going back to class in September, last class was for being an esthetician. This class is now going to be for massage therapy, which I'm kind of really pumped about that, because I think that'd be a really cool like side job to have. But anyhow, totally off track. So yes, I have a lot of different eyeshadow palettes that I have purchased. I have yet to try on, and I definitely will be making some videos pretty much every single week, hopefully, just showing off this makeup and giving you my personal opinion whether I like it or not. So, all right, that is it, and I will see you guys next time.